Hi, it's Vlad, and in this video we'll talk about Android Studio Emulator. Android Emulator is very handy sometimes, especially when you don't have a physical device at your hand or you need to create some unique environment. The work with the emulator is almost always straightforward. Typically, you just create or select the device and run your project. However, these 5 useful tips can ease your life even more. Number 1. Boost your emulator performance. Sometimes you can feel that the emulator is slow, even if your computer is fast. One of the possible improvements here is to ensure that your emulator has a quick boot option which will save your emulator state and speed up your next launches. This option located in the advanced settings of your virtual device. Also, don't forget to give your emulator at least 1 GB of RAM. Number 2 is easy installation of APK files. If you want to install some APK file, just drag and drop it to the emulator and it will automatically start the installation process. Number 3. Change your location. You can set any location for your emulator with a handy map. Click on the 3 dots button, select any location on a map and apply changes. That's it. Number 4. Run emulator from the command line. If you're a command line geek, then I have good news for you. You can launch an emulator from the command line. For this, you need to go to the Android SDK tools directory, list all your virtual devices, and then run a certain device directly. You can also use this knowledge to get more specific work done. For example, if you want to capture the network traffic, you can use this command. It will write the captured network traffic of the virtual device to some file. Number 5. Run emulator directly in Android Studio. I love this one. Starting from Android Studio 4.1, we can run our applications in emulator directly in Android Studio. We first need to enable the required setting for this. Go to the Preferences, search for the emulator and ensure that the option Launch in a tool window is checked. Press OK button and now we can launch your application in the emulator inside Android Studio. The only drawback is that there are no settings yet, so for example we can't change our location. For this we need to launch a separate emulator. With a virtual device you're not tied to a physical device and can create any specifications you want. But because it's not a physical device, there is no support for Bluetooth, NFC, headphones, USB and others. An emulator is a convenient tool for Android development, but it should not be the primary one. It's always better to use a physical device to test your applications because this way you are closer to your users. That's it for today, see you later.